According to statistics from the US Consumer Product Safety Commission, at least 35,000 people in this country fall from ladders and stepladders every year. Luckily, this clamp can fix that problem. It locks onto the gutter in 5 seconds and can withstand up to 100 kilograms of static load. It seems like a simple product. However, it won the Best New Tool award at the International Roofing Expo 2020. And the list of customers includes insurance adjusters. Turns out that many people need to regularly climb on the roof. The price is $164. These guide rollers will help you in a variety of situations. For example, when installing temporary lifting systems on construction sites. They will protect the cables from abrasion and help you install them carefully, spending a minimum of time. The manufacturer offers several versions, with a load range of up to 4.5 tons. The rollers are made of aluminium, the ball bearings are made of stainless steel, and thanks to the clever design, the guide rollers can be fixed with screws or belts, even in tight spaces. The price for a 3-roller model with a diameter of 130mm is $255. The seller also offers a 120-meter cable with a diameter of 10mm for $441. Let's continue with this worker installing a Firestop Sleeve. These systems are needed for laying cables in hospitals, server rooms, conference rooms, and factories, where you need to combine air current control with maximum ease of maintenance. This option allows you to work with bundles of cables. It can be used on the ceiling and with brick, concrete, drywall, and sandwich panels. If necessary, the sleeve can be filled with cables up to 100%. Conduits up to 63mm in diameter can be used. The sleeve is resistant to mold and mildew. It comes in several versions with different diameters and costs about $240. Check out this must-have tool for carrying bricks, cinder blocks, foam concrete, curbstones, and other similar loads. These lifting clamps are popular with DIYers and large companies alike. For example, this production model has a 23-kilogram lifting capacity, weighing about 2 kilograms, and has a very simple design. Need something bigger? The Octopus model is mounted on machines like loaders. It can lift up to 600 kilograms, and it comes with interchangeable profiled rubber inserts. An even more interesting version offers precise manual grip adjustment, making it easy to work with blocks of unique shapes. The manual version costs $31, and the Octopus costs $676. Next, let's look at a very interesting combination: a chainsaw with a debarker attachment. It's used to remove bark and dirt so that the saw blade is not blunted too quickly. Of all chainsaws, this worker chose the Dolmar PS6100. It has a 4.6 horsepower engine, automatic lubrication, 30 minutes of work on one fill-up, and it weighs about 6 kilograms. It'll also confidently saw off $742 of your budget, and you'll have to spend another $230 on the attachment. This product will be appreciated by people who work with polypropylene pipes. This clamp allows you to accurately and neatly secure and connect 2 pipes of different diameters, from 63 to 125 millimeters. The only tool you need is a drill. The connection will go much faster, and thanks to the product size, you can work in a small space. However, the price is significant – $3,000. Luckily, there's a lot of work in this area. In the US alone, more than 1.6 million kilometers of water pipelines were built back in the 50s, and many of them need to be replaced. Next up is an ingeniously simple development for carrying sheets of plywood, particle boards, and other cumbersome objects, either alone or with other workers. Clamp, lift, and go. That's the whole description, and there's no need to add much to it. But let's see some of its characteristics. A load capacity of 45 kilograms, a maximum panel thickness of 19 millimeters, and the ability to work with panels of 1220 by 2440 millimeters. Additionally, the designers highlight the Grip Max clamps, which automatically adjust to avoid damaging the panels. Besides, you can carry them with one hand while typing a review on your smartphone about how great and convenient it is. The price for this useful product is only $25. Reciprocating saws can be used for many tasks, from trimming twigs in the garden to handling metal. That's why many manufacturers bundle their saws with several blades at once, and the version on your screen is no exception. The saw comes with 4 blades, and you don't need any tools to replace them. The 2800 RPM motor and the 4 amp-hour battery allows you to successfully complete even complex and long projects. An optimized ventilation system has been added to protect the tool against overheating. As buyers write, the saw is light enough to work with one hand, but the manufacturer should have put 2 batteries instead of 1. However, for $85, this is not a big problem. In 2021, the global exports of only a few types of paints and varnishes reached more than $4.5 billion. This information was collected from more than 100 countries, so painters have a lot of work, and new tools will definitely come in handy. And they won't have to spend a fortune. This paint roller costs just $12, but offers $1 million worth of benefits. The secret lies in the adjustable angle. The upper part rotates 180 degrees. In addition, the kit includes 2 adapters with a diameter of 19 and 38 millimeters, making the roller perfect for both small fixes and major repairs. Narrow or awkward areas are no longer a problem. Plus, there are threaded adapters for extension poles at the bottom of the handle. Another inexpensive but useful upgrade, a 2-in-1 double-sided drill bit. It allows you to drill a pilot hole, make a counter bore into which the flat of the screw will be hidden, and then drive the screw. An ideal solution for furniture assemblers, especially since the depth of the pilot hole is adjustable. The only disadvantage is that for now, the manufacturer has no plans to expand the line with new models, but the price is only $15. This is a wire stripper for fiber optic cables. It's suitable for both right and left-handed users. It allows you to work with cables up to 0.125 millimeters in diameter and remove insulation of 200 to 250 micrometers in thickness. The blade is 0.16 millimeters in diameter. The body is designed to work without accidental slipping and is reinforced with fiberglass for extra durability. The tool turned out to be so good that it won the prestigious Red Dot Design Award 2020. It's manufactured in Germany, which is a guarantee of reliability and longevity, and the price tag is appropriate, $52. The International Union of Railways reported that in 2022, the total length of railroad tracks operated in the US was 293,564 kilometers. So, local companies are always happy to offer track maintenance professionals cool tools to make their jobs easier. Take a look at this one. It's called Spike Ease, and it's used for removing rail spikes. The designers say that this process has never been so easy. It takes 3 to 5 seconds to extract one spike, and a full charge is enough for removing 200 spikes. The weight of the tool is quite modest, about 14 kilograms. In addition, an ergonomic carrying handle is provided. Together, we are changing the future of transit, they tell customers. The price is about $4,500.
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.